In this video we will create the cover with a different approach. So I will move the camera to cover and I will select the cover and go over to the scene browser and expand the cover, and we see that the cover contains 6 features. So the starting point will be the crankcase. So I will select the crankcase and then I use hide unselected, Control Alt Space. Then I come up here to select extrude command, this extrude, and here in properties we select create a new standalone part. I then click here on this surface to extrude that surface, and the extrusion will be 4 millimeters. I hit enter and I'll click OK. Then we have to change the diameters of the holes. So select the cover and go to IntelliShape level and then right click and choose edit cross section. I select this circle. We see that the circle has a radius of 1.65. It should be 2. So here in the properties we see that the value is already selected, so I type 2 and hit enter. So I do the same with the other holes. Type 2 and hit enter. And this one. And this hole has a radius of 19, so it should be 18, so I type 18 and hit enter. Then I right click here and choose finish drawing, and then I will select the cover and go to properties and type cover, alternative, hit enter, copy and paste it here in description. Then I go over to the scene browser, come down here and expand the cover. We see now that there is only 1 feature instead of 6 features. So this is a way of making the cover with a different approach. But this cover will not be the original part of the Stirling engine, so I will right click when it is selected and choose suppress. Then I will bring back all hidden parts by pressing Shift Space. Then I'll move the camera to top front right and fit scene, and I will save the scene.